All right, so if you wonder why I have the hood open on this one, it's because it's going to be like a stand for my camera. But on the BMW, I'm going to be replacing the valve cover, which is under here. These two solenoids that go right here. I don't know if you can see them. And I'm also going to be changing the oil on it. We got the new valve cover in here that has new seals on it. These are the new solenoids. They go right there in the front. I don't know what these do, but that can also be a problem. And then the new oil filter and the oil. Why I haven't uploaded in a while is because like I get clips throughout the week and then make it one video and post on the weekend. So yeah, that's why these videos haven't been coming out lately, because it's been snowing and this weekend's our first actual clear week. So let's get started into that. And then okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but that's a pool of oil or water, or I don't know what it could be from. But if you look down there where it's orange, that's where it's broke, and you can obviously tell there's oil all over this, then all the way down here. So yep, that's what I'm dealing with right now. One thing, if you're a BMW fan and you like working on BMW, not only do I respect you and give you props, but if you have tips on like how to do it faster, if you can see right here, I also blew out right there, and then it all leaked out down here. But if you, because I know there's like a special course you can take in college just to work on these things. I don't like working on it, but I had to because it's my mom's car. It's a nice little car though, but my mom has some big plans with this car that hopefully it can be like a project for the channel. She wants to wrap it, put some wheels on it, coilovers, and I told her if she blows it up again, we're putting an LS in it, a junkyard $500 LS in it, and having fun with it. So let's get back into the time lapse. Okay, so to the part where I just need to take the cam sensor out, then these 3 coil packs, both. It's gonna take me a minute to take that off, and this contraption with the reservoir tank with the zip ties, thought it would work, but it didn't. So I have to come up with an alternate plan. But I hate BMW, I really do. I mean, they're nice cars, but working on them just sucks. Okay. So, you can see my contraption to hold the coolant. I know there's an easier way to do this, but I didn't want to drain all the coolant and have to put it back in. But got the valve cover off. You can see all that orange stuff where I put make a gasket, and you see right here how there's still a bolt in there. If you come right here, you can still see all the plastic That's because that bolt's in there so damn tight that when I pulled it up, I had to break the valve cover. But that's okay, because on this side, this is where it's already broken, and that's where it's what was causing most of the problem. Gotta take that bolt off and get it cleaning. Got the new valve cover on, got the wiring harness put together, just need to fix all that. Got this side put together, you put the new cap on, and then you gotta replace these solenoids down here, and then I'll change the oil, and then I'll be done with this car. Yeah, I hate BMW, but yep. Gotta change the oil, and if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's smoking. It's just burning all the excess oil and stuff that up underneath. Because if you, I don't know if you can see it, but that exhaust down there is caked in oil. Let's see if that stays. The only thing I like about BMW is changing the oil on it is way easier than it is like on my truck or my mom's truck over there, because the filter's just right here. Right, so for BMW, if you guys don't know, this is what holds the oil filter, and you have this little O-ring right here that you gotta replace, and then you got this O-ring right here, which is, these are the old ones that I just took off. This is the old filter, and on the drain plug, you see this washer? This is the new one that I put on. You have to replace it. Don't know why, but it's a BMW thing. But this is the old washer, so now I gotta put the filter back on. That's almost done draining, and after I get all this put together and put oil in it, then I gotta go drive it around, reset the computer, because we also put a new battery in today. Don't know what it is with BMW, but fucking weird. Okay. Got the oil changed. One thing about these cars is this car takes 7 quarts, which is pretty insane. So used up one of these, and the oil that I use is the same oil that I put in my truck. Is 5W30 full synthetic by Mobile One. I really don't get the point of oils, it's all the same to me. But yeah, let's get this car finished putting back together. I need to put whatever this is called, then the cabin filter, and go reset the... All right, so I drove down the street to one of the golf courses here, and the engine service light turned off. That's because I don't have my seatbelt on, and I think that's my... I forgot what my friend Sammy told me what it was, but I just went through all the codes, nothing happened, so I guess I fixed it. Finally, my mom can have her car back, and I can stop driving my truck to school. But if you guys like this video, make sure to share it with your friends. And I know this video is more around just working on this car, but it's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing all the time with this channel. But if you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe, like it, share with your friends, and see you next time.